Looking for a collagen supplement that is on the go? The Purest Collagen Glow Berries might be the collagen supplement for you. Stick around if you want to know more. For those of you who are new here, my name is Tara and passing it on is my passion. One of the things that I share in this channel are collagen reviews. I made a playlist for it. I'll place the card right here and the link at the description box. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. By the way, I am also on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I usually post more updates there, so say hi. I'll place the links of my socials at the description box. Another month, another collagen supplement I have been taking, the Purest Collagen Glow Berries. It has been a month actually still taking it. So if you want to know more about it, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. The Collagen Glow Berries supplement is designed to rejuvenate the skin from within through skin barrier reparation, skin moisturizing, and firming. The Purest Co's exclusive patented technology uses enzymatic hydrolyzation to ensure extraction of the purest and highest grade of nanocollagen peptide, which means faster and more effective absorption of collagen into the body. The addition of 250 milligrams of vitamin C guards against damage from free radicals while increasing bioavailability rate of absorption and assimilation. The Purest Co uses 5,500 premium grade Japan Nita Wellness patented marine collagen peptides in their formulations, hydrolyzed in liquid form for easy absorption. Formulated with 250 milligrams of vitamin C, which is high in antioxidants and a core ingredient that promotes collagen synthesis. Formulated with 100 milligrams of bilberry that is rich in antioxidants as well as 25% anthocyanidins to prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals. The Purest Co blend in cherries, cranberries, strawberries, raspberries, and black currants into a concentrated burst of goodness rich in antioxidants and natural vitamins. Alright, so now let us get to know a little bit about the company behind the Collagen Glow Berries. The Purest Co's founder started the brand to create products for his then pregnant wife, and it remains their guiding principle to this day to create products great enough for their families, friends, and children. This began a journey that took the founding team from Singapore to Malaysia and Indonesia in search of how to create the best products in the industry. They are continuously evolving over the years to offer many different innovative products that help heal, nourish, and enhance health. If you want to know more about the Purest Co and the rest of their products, I'll place their website's link at the description box. Also, I want to take the opportunity to thank the Purest Co. Thank you so much for sending me the Collagen Glow Berries and the rest of your products all the way from Singapore. From Singapore with love. Thank you so much. Just so you know, I made a separate vlog on collagen supplements. I answer frequently asked questions about collagen supplements, what are its benefits, when should one start taking collagen supplements. So I'll just place the card right here and the link at the description box. Please do your research before taking anything. But just to give you an idea, collagen is the #1 dominant protein in the body. It provides strength, firmness, and structure to the skin, bones, and joint cartilage. However, as one grows older, the collagen in the body starts to grow weak, leading to reduced functionality. Weak collagen production in the body causes the skin, bones, and joint to become more vulnerable to damage due to slow repair of connective tissues. It also causes the skin, bones, and joints to show signs of aging. Therefore, even though our body produces its collagen, natural collagen supplements such as the Purest Collagen Glow Berries is recommended to serve as alternative collagen production to meet the collagen supply our body needs. The Purest Collagen Glow Berries retails at 109 Singaporean dollars, 30 sachets in a box for 1 month supply. It contains 5,500 milligrams of type 1 hydrolyzed Nita Wellness marine collagen infused with 250 milligrams vitamin C and 100 milligrams bilberry extract prepared in FDA-approved facility in Taiwan, lightly sweetened with real fruit juice and sustainably harvested from tilapia fishes. Claims and benefits: increase skin hydration, increase skin elasticity, reduce UV spots, improve skin texture. Clinically proven to firm, lift, and moisturize skin. For my review, I usually say the things that I like and dislike about a product, but straight to the point, there is nothing I dislike about the Purest Collagen Glow Berries. So I'll go right ahead with the things that I like about this product. First and foremost, it contains 5,500 milligrams of premium marine collagen. Now, based on research, one should be taking at least 2,500 milligrams of collagen. So this has 5,500 milligrams. But take into consideration that the requirement is different for everyone. As we all know, collagen decline starts at 20 years old. So a 50-year-old requires more collagen from diet and supplements than a 20 or 30-year-old. So it is best to do your research and ask your doctor. Next source is marine collagen, which is known to be a better source because of its superior absorption capabilities. Again, if you want to know more about the source of collagen, I made a vlog all about collagen supplements. Link at the description box. Next, collagen is hydrolyzed, which means it has been broken down already for better absorption. It has vitamin C, which helps produce collagen in the body. And as mentioned, it has bilberry and mixed berry infusion, which is full of antioxidants. It is packed with collagen, vitamins, and antioxidants. And it is very convenient to take, especially when you are traveling. Say, for example, you have a trip for like 2 days or 3 days, then you only bring 2 packs or 3 packs. Very convenient. You just rip and sip and enjoy. It actually tastes like juice with a thick consistency, like thicker than juice, but not very thick. So it's actually like a treat in the morning or a treat before you sleep. And it is readily available online. You can just purchase through their website, and yes, they ship here in the Philippines. Let me just say that ever since I've taken collagen supplements, if I'm not mistaken, for a year already, so consistency is definitely key to see and feel results. I've noticed better bowel movement. Hair is healthier, dare I say. I get a lot of compliments that my hair is thick, and that's something new to me because I've always had thin and less hair, but now a lot of people tell me that I have thick hair, so it must be the collagen supplement. And better skin health. You see, collagen is not just for the skin, but it actually does a lot for your joints. It actually does a lot for your body. Again, there is nothing I dislike about this product. However, I want to point out that it is quite pricey. 109 Singaporean dollars is about 4,000 plus pesos. So it is quite expensive. But other than that, this is amazing. Yay or nay, Libra love, I obviously love the Purest Collagen Glow Berries. If you're looking for a collagen supplement in liquid form, you are considering convenience, I definitely recommend this collagen supplement for you. I hope this video helps, and if it does, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. And if you have any questions, comments, recommendations, or if you just want to say hi, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye!